Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to improve the effect of the image by editing the parameters of the render in Coohom. First, go to the perspective view at the top. After entering the interface, we can edit the lighting and exterior content on the right side. After clicking Generate, view the rendered image. Then find Beautiful at the bottom of the page. If you don't have any idea, you can select one-click Smart Beautiful at the top, or you can choose to adjust the effect yourself. Click Reset to restore the original effect. Then you can adjust the brightness, contrast, sharpen, and so on. The parameters are adjusted. If you want a more specific style, you can select a style you like in the filter, and the intensity can be adjusted. After selecting a suitable style, you can also adjust the brightness and other parameters again. Finally, you can compare the original image at the top of the page. In addition to editing all, it can also be partially edited. Click Local to freely edit the parameters of different blocks. Finally, let's take a look at the effect.